Do nothing and get paid? What? Doesn't sound good. Actually, I'm kidding you a little bit. You have to do something. You're gonna have to grab your phone and slide, and then you get paid. Sounds good? This is what I'm gonna show you guys today. An application and a website together on it's gonna pay you to unlock your phone. Every time you're gonna unlock your phone, you're gonna make some money out of it. So stick with me. I'm gonna explain a bit how it works. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, I would like to invite you, if you haven't already, to go ahead and click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because I want you to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor if you go ahead and click that subscribe button, because I want to hear from you as well. I learn a lot from you as well. So go ahead and click the subscribe button, and next to it there is a bell notification. Make sure you click that so you get notifications about the videos I release every single day, just for you and how you can make money. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and see what is all this about. Do nothing and get paid. Let's see the little trick here. The website I'm going to talk to you about today is called GetSlideJoy.com. You can get everything from below the description, so you can click from there, and it's going to bring you to this home page, where from there you're going to be able to come and download the app from the Google Android Play Store. Yeah. So what do you do, guys? You need to have an Android phone for this one. If you have an Android phone, you're able to use this with no problem. As far as I know, location is not an issue. The only thing that is not going to be as popular as other countries is not going to be able to get as many advertising, which I'm going to talk a little bit in a bit. So with this one, you go to the Google Play Store. You're gonna download the app that is just below. And what is this does, guys? You get lock screen awards. So you download the app, and every time you unlock and check your Android phone, you see a car news story or a promotion on your lock screen. So it looks something like this. Once you unlock your phone, you're gonna be able to see an ad like this. If you're gonna slide left on your phone, you're gonna get more information about this advertisement card. If you're gonna slide up, it's gonna change to another advertising, and if you're gonna slide right, you're going back to your phone like this, not interested. So this is it. You're gonna download an app, you're gonna do this, and you're gonna get paid. You also have the flexibility, as you can see here. Fill your lock screen with beautiful design and content that is relevant to you. You are able to choose based when you're creating your account and downloading the app. You're gonna put information about things you like, so they can send you more related information. And as I told you, this is a legit site. It has been featured on CNN Today, Fox Business Insider, CNBC. It's a very legit and popular way of getting around right now with advertisement. So it's a new way of pushing the advertisement of their clients to you. So that's why they're going really well. And most important thing, how you gonna get paid? You're gonna get paid by PayPal account. You can cash it out. There is no limitation. So once you have the money, you can go ahead and request to PayPal cash out, or if you want, it's up to you guys. If you like what you see and you don't really care about the money, you can donate it to one of these charity events they have here. So this is it. This is what I wanted to show you guys. You can go ahead and download this app. Go get slidejoy.com from the link below, and you bring it to this page, and then from there on it's going to guide you on how you can go to the Android Play Store and download from there. It's not available at the moment on any other phone. It's just for the Android. So you having an iPhone, this is not going to work for you unless you have an Android device. So this is what I want to show you guys today. Very nice, simple way doing almost nothing. You have to slide your finger to get paid. It's not gonna make you rich overnight. It's very nice way. Since you're using your phone, you can able to get some good advertisement content for things that you may like as well. Get some good discount offers and so on, and you're gonna get some money for this purpose. Now, as I told you, it's not gonna bring a lot of money. So if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house, when you sleep, when you're around, when you're having drinks, when you're on vacation, click my #1 description below. It changed my life, guys. It can change yours. It's gonna be free to join. Video with proof showing you everything you need to do, and money's gonna coming in, passive income coming in every single day. It's changed my life, it will change yours. All you need to do is go ahead and try it. This is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Go ahead and start making some money, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.